Ya Rastaman, umva Rasta, we Rasta bavuga Rasta Bumali. Afrika yiyunze hamwe, aba tugiye kuva Burundi, tukigira mu butaka bwa data. Ni byiza bishimishije imbere y'umuntu w'Imana kugira ngo ubone ubumwe bw'Abanyafurika bose. Byaravuzwe ntibibe, abana b'Abarasta turi abana b'umugabo. Afrika y'ubumwe kuko abana dushaka kuza mu rugo. Afrika yunze hamwe kuko dushaka kuva Burundi. Kandi tukajya mu nzira tukerekeza mu nzira ya data. Byakabaye byiza imbere y'Imana n'abantu kandi bishimishije kugira ngo ubone ubumwe bw'Abarasta nk'uko byavuzwe bireke bibe. Wisinga ubwiye abo turi bo, turi abana b'Abarasta man, turi abana b'umugabo umwe. Ubwo rero Afrika y'ubumwe, Afrika y'ubumwe, Afrika ku nyungu z'abantu bawe, twihurize ejo hazaza. Ngendere munsi bw'ubusobanuro bwose. Afrika ikeneye abayikora, Afrika igiye gukenera abayikora. Afrika uri ubutaka, Afrika uri data, Afrika urahungura byose. Ubumwe bw'Abanyafurika batuye hanze, ubumwe bw'imbuga ya Afrika.
We're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our father's land. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man to see the unification of all Rastaman. As it's been said already, done. We are the children of the Rastaman. We are the children of the I am one. So Africa unite, Africa united, unite for the benefit of all people. 'Cause we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're grooving to our father's land. How good and how pleasant it would be before God and man to see the unification of all Africans. Marcus Garvey said it, so let it be done. I know you know